For generations, milk has been the symbol of health. Strong bones, tall kids, glowing smiles. That's what we were promised. But today, it's under fire. Linked to cancer, acne, digestive issues, and even climate change. Some say it's essential for strong bones and long life. Others say it's a white poison. So what's the truth? Is milk saving us, or slowly killing us? Stay with us. What you're about to hear may change the way you look at a glass of milk forever. Is milk helping us, or slowly harming us? Let's find out. Milk is the first food most mammals ever taste. Packed with fat, protein, vitamins, and immune-boosting compounds. It's nature's startup kit for life. But here's the twist. Most mammals, including humans, are not meant to drink milk beyond infancy. So why are we still drinking it every single day? The answer lies in a rare genetic twist. It all begins with something universal. Birth. All mammals start life the same way, drinking milk from their mothers. It's liquid gold, packed with fat, protein, vitamins, and immune-boosting compounds. But here's the thing. No other species keeps drinking milk after weaning, except us. About 11,000 years ago, humans did something revolutionary. We domesticated animals, goats, sheep, cattle, and we started drinking their milk. It was survival food. During harsh winters or failed harvests, milk saved lives. And with time, something strange happened. Our DNA changed. A genetic mutation allowed some humans to keep producing lactase, the enzyme needed to digest milk, into adulthood. Those people thrived. They had more nutrition, more babies, and passed on the milk-drinking gene. This is why today, 90% of Northern Europeans can digest milk, while up to 90% of East Asians can't. But then, science started asking hard questions. Milk causes cancer. Dairy builds strong bones. Milk is bad for your skin. Drink 3 glasses a day. Confused yet? You're not alone. Let's break down the science. Claim 1. Milk causes cancer. Some older studies linked high milk intake to breast, colon, and prostate cancer. But larger reviews and meta-analyses mostly found nothing. Except for very high consumption, over a liter a day, there's no strong link to cancer. In fact, the calcium in milk may even protect against colon cancer. Claim 2. Milk is good for bones. Makes sense, right? Milk equals calcium equals strong bones. But again, the science is nuanced. In adults, milk doesn't seem to prevent fractures. In kids and teens, it helps more. So it's helpful, but not a miracle drink. Claim 3. Milk causes acne. This one has better evidence, especially skim milk. One study showed it increased acne risk by 24%. And for people with lactose intolerance, around 65% of the world, that glass of milk leads to bloating, cramps, and worse. Claim 4. Milk is full of hormones and antibiotics. Yes, there are hormones in milk, but the levels are extremely low. You'd have to drink thousands of liters to get the same effect as a single birth control pill. And most hormones are destroyed during digestion anyway. Antibiotics, also regulated. Milk is tested before it hits store shelves, and contaminated batches are discarded. Let's shift gears, because beyond personal health lies another question. What does milk cost? Modern dairy production isn't like the happy cow cartoons on your milk carton. To keep cows producing milk, they're kept pregnant again and again. Their calves are taken away shortly after birth. Male calves, often slaughtered within days. And when the cow's body gives out after years of strain, she's sent to slaughter too. Is this the price of a glass of milk? For some, it's a deal breaker. For others, a necessary evil. And then there's the environment. Dairy production uses 33% of the world's cropland. It's responsible for 3% of all greenhouse gas emissions, more than the entire aviation industry. Yes, cows burp methane, a powerful greenhouse gas. Even though efficiency has improved since the 90s, the footprint is still massive. Plant-based milks. Almond, oat, soy, rite, coconut. Some taste great, others not so much. Only soy milk really matches cow milk in protein. Most others need to be fortified with calcium and vitamins, but their climate footprint? Way lower, especially oat and hemp milk. And now there's lab-grown milk, made using gene-edited microbes that ferment real dairy proteins, without the cow. It even makes real cheese. Is this the future? So is milk good or bad? It depends. For kids and some adults, milk is a cheap, nutrient-dense food. For others, it causes discomfort or raises ethical questions. For the planet, the costs are hard to ignore. The truth: milk is neither a miracle nor a poison. It's just food, powerful, ancient, and complex. And how we choose to consume it says more about us than about milk.